Geobyte.
Welcome to the Geobyte. Dear children, listen carefully. Till the last video, our Navodaya entrance test examination purpose, mental ability, every topic also completed and arithmetic concepts also completed till the last videos. From this video, we are discussing the previous questions solutions. Okay, observe. Navodaya, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance test 2020 year. 2020 mental ability solutions now. Okay, I hope the previous videos everything you have to observe carefully, then you got a clarity every point also. From this video solutions, okay, at least 5 years solutions we are uploading. Okay children, observe now only mental ability in a 2020 mental ability solutions. Mental ability solutions 2020 year. In the 2020 year mental ability, total 10 sections given. Total 10 sections. But in examinations, they mentioned part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, like part 10. So every section also 4 questions, 4 marks. So 10 fours, 40 marks. Okay, in our previous videos, every topic also we discussed. So those the topics important. Okay, and one more point too. That concepts each and everything kept in our mind, and at the time of the answering the question you remember elimination method and concept kept in our mind, then easily we are getting the answers. Okay, maximum elimination method almost 40 to 50% questions completed, remaining based on the concept. Okay, let's start the video. Part 1. Observe in the question numbers 1 to 4, 4 figures A, B, C, D given have been given in each questions. Of these 4 figures, 3 figures are same. Okay, so total 4 figures given. Out of the 4, 3 figures are same. Okay, same. One is different. Okay, one figure is odd, different. Select the odd one. This is the part 1 in a 2020 first section, part 1. Observe that 4 questions here. Okay, now observe clearly students. Very easy. Okay, first question observe. Right angle triangle. Option A right angle triangle. Option C right angle triangle. Option D right angle triangle. But option B not a right angle. So this is the answer. What is the answer? Option B is the answer. Okay, now we are getting 1 mark already. Next, second question. KIT, KIT, KIT. So in the option A, option B, option C, KIT, KIT, KIT existing. But in option D, K existing, I existing, but there is no T. This is C. So separate. This is different from the 4. So option D is the answer. Okay. In third one, observe the figures. Circle, inside circle, okay, attached with the one arrow. That arrow facing towards outside. So in option B also arrow symbol towards outside. So option C also arrow symbol towards outside. But in option D, observe arrow is inside. So option D is the answer. That is different. Option D. Next, question number 4. Observe boxes. Okay. Inside one square box given, diagonal given. Square box diagonal. Square box diagonal. But there is one line is intersecting at a diagonal in the option A. The line is intersecting one side of the square in option B. In option C also one side of the square. Option D also one side of the square. So B, C, D options, the intersecting line cuts at one side of the square. But in option A, the intersecting line at diagonal. Okay, it intersects at the diagonal. So option A is the different. So odd. So option A is the answer. Completed. Within the 2 minutes, we have to complete the 4 questions. Okay, see. Next one. Part 2. What is the part 2? Children, observe. A question figure is given on the left side. Okay. And 4 answers given. Okay. Figure marked A, B, C, D. Options A, B, C, D they mentioned are given. Select the answer figure which is exactly same as the question figure. So same figure, same as the question figure. This is part 2. Okay. Observe the first one. Okay. In the first one, they are asking the similar figure, same type of the figure. Same type of the figure means this type of concept, elimination method is the best method. Elimination method. Okay. Here observe. In the top, 2 circles given. So 2 circles. Where is the 2 circles in the top? In option D, not existing. Cancel. Option C, not existing. Cancel. Option A, one circle. There is no other. There is no another circle. So option A cancel. So what is the answer clearly? Option B is the answer. Next, question number 6. Observe this black color, black, black. In between the black, one white. Here 2 and 2 whites. Okay, 2 white color and only one white color in between the blacks. So here observe, in between the blacks, 2 white boxes required. But in option A, only one box. So cancel. In option B, so same figure, observe, same figure. Question number 6 as like exactly look at. So that blacks, okay, here one gap, observe this red color, one gap, one white color, here one white color. Here two whites, here also two whites, here also two whites. So option B clearly right answer. In option C, 3 whites gaps, so wrong. So here 1, 2, 3, 3 gaps, wrong. So option B is the answer. Question number 7. 2 lines intersecting with arrow lines, both sides arrows. Both sides arrows, observe. Okay, but in option A, there is no arrow symbol, observe here, so wrong. In option B, here observe, wrong. In option C, 2 arrows intersecting, clearly, you got the point. Okay, option C is the answer. In option D also, wrong. Okay, option C is the answer. What is the answer now? C is the answer. Question number 8, observe. This is looking like a pyramid. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 4 lines. Okay, existing. Here, observe. Diagonal, triangle. Here, closed. This box is closed. So option A wrong. In option B, observe here, one line and second line clearly existing. 4 lines also existing. This boundary is also existing. Option B clearly right answer. Okay, option C wrong, option D also wrong. Next, part 3. From the directions in a questions numbers 9 to 12. Again 4 questions. There is a question figure on the left side. Okay, left hand side one question figure is given. Okay, a part of which is missing. What is the missing part? Observe the answer A, B, C, D. On the right hand side, find out the answer figure which without changing the direction. Without changing the direction. Same part existing. We need fits the missing part. Okay, fit the missing part. Enough. Here observe. Observe the figure. This is looking like a triangle shape. So we need a triangle shape. Triangle shape. Line. Okay, 3 lines. Okay, 3 lines. Position observe. Option A clearly you are getting. Option B wrong, option C wrong, option D wrong. So what is the answer? A is the answer. Next, you can assume as it is 4 boxes. Okay, 4 square boxes. Each and every square box diagonals given. Arrow symbols quite opposite each other. So you can take the arrow symbols opposite each other. Which option existing? You can use elimination here. One of the chance. Here observe option A is option A opposite, quite opposite to. But here 2 arrows same position, same line. Okay, option A wrong. Okay, in option B observe everything also quite opposite to. So option B is the answer. Suppose in option C observe in the diagonal the 2 arrows also in the same line, same position, same way. Okay, arrow symbol. So option C wrong. Option D also same. Okay, so what is the answer then? B is the answer. Question number 11. Observe the figure clearly. Inside one circle is complete circle. Next to semicircles. Okay, and the middle one line. This is the figure. There is no dots, so plainly, okay, plainly we are getting this diagram. But in option A, dots given, so wrong. Okay, option B, only complete circle is given, so wrong. Option C, like a flower given, so wrong. In option D, observe semicircle, and line. So option D is the answer. Next, in the question number 12, okay, you can consider any one parameter, okay, any one variable, any one figure, any one diagram, any one symbol. You can consider children. Suppose this is the rectangle shape box. This is the rectangle, 4 corners. So 4 corners. So here also we need one rectangle sim, one perpendicular. Perpendicular means angle 90 degrees indication. Okay, this line. So where it is existing, option A existing, option D existing. So B and C wrong. Next, come to the question. Close this line. And here inside closed circles. Okay, this circles, dotted circle. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 circles we need. Okay, that 4 circles inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in option A, that circles, okay, the dots outside of the line. So option A wrong. Clearly got the answer. Option D. Okay, children. Next, part 4. What is the part 4? Directions. There are 3 question figures on the left hand side. So here 3 question figures. Okay, part 3, part 2, only one question figure left side. Here 3 question figures on the left side, and the space for the 4th figure is the left blank. The question figure in the series. In a series. Series means what is the next figure? What is the next one? Find out one figure from the among the answers. Figures given on the right hand side, which occupies the blank space for the 4th figure on the left hand side, and complete the series. Series concept simply. So what is the concept? Series concept. Observe. Here also, okay, in this type of questions also, you can select any one diagram or one figure or one point or any variable, anything, your wish. Okay, you can select any one point. Okay, from the point you can consider the what is next. Suppose I consider here, this is looking like a Z shape, this arrow. In the second step, it is rotated as anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. So clockwise means this one, anti-clockwise this one. Anti-clockwise, again anti-clockwise. Finally, anti-clockwise means looking like this. That arrow. So in option A, wrong. Option B, there is a thinking. Option C, 2 arrows given. So wrong. Option D also 2 arrows given. So wrong. What is the answer? B is the answer. Clearly, you got the answer. B. Okay, children. In the examination, every question is also very easy. Within the time, you have to solve. Okay, speed important, accuracy important, elimination method and concept kept in your mind, then easy. In the question number 14, triangle, arrow symbol on rectangle box, one circle is given. Same. Okay. Out of the 4 figures, you can select any one figure and we can go through this diagram. First, I select this arrow symbol. Position observe. This is the first position with respect to the arrow. In the second box, down, I mean clockwise rotated. Okay, clockwise. First, second, third position. This is third position. Next, fourth one is this is the position. Clockwise rotation means. Okay, clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking like this. So arrow symbol first place. Which options existing? Option A, just you think. Option B. Okay, arrow okay, but the direction is down, so wrong. Next, in option C, you have to think. Option D, you have to think. So B is eliminated now. Next, you can select the anyone circle. First position. This is the second position. Next, third position. Next, fourth position. I mean here. Option A possible. Option C possible. Option D same. Next, triangle. You can select triangle. First one, first place, second place, third place, and fourth place. Looking like this. So A, you have to think. C, you have to think. D, that position, okay, that cone position is reverse. So option D, wrong. So A and C only. Okay. Next, this rectangle shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the rectangle position. Okay. Observe. This is also rectangle. This is also rectangle. Position observe clearly. First one, it is reverse. Next one, observe here. 1, 2, 3. Next, fourth position. Fourth one. So option A clearly answer. For this question, time taken. Okay. 1 minute. Only for the 14. Remaining easily you get it. Next, in the 15th question, this cross symbol, 1, here 2 cross symbols, here 3. Next 4, that 4 is top, in the top. So which options existing? Option A, wrong, because only 3. Option B, 4 is there, but it is down, so wrong. In option C, 1, 2, 3, 4 existing. Option D, there are circles, so wrong. So clearly you got the answer, option C. Option C is the answer. Question number 16. Circle, cross is down. In the next position, circle and circle, cross symbol. Circle, cross symbol, next circle. So circle, cross symbol, circle, next cross symbol, into symbol. Okay. So looking like a OX, 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 where it is existing? Option C. Okay. Got a clarity. Next, part 5. In the part 5, there are 2 sets of the 2 question figures each. 2 sets means simply looking like a analogy. Okay. There exists a relationship between the first 2 question figures. There is a relation between the first 2 diagrams. The same relation applied for the next pair. This is the concept analogy. Okay. Similar relationship should exist between the third and fourth question figures. Select one of the answer figures which replaces the mark of question mark. Okay. Observe. Question number 17. Square box. Here 6 multiplication symbols, into symbols, cross symbols. Okay. In the Analogy. What is the relation here? These into symbols you can assume as suppose A. So A is right hand side, A is left hand side. A is right, A is left. Forward and backward, the same diagram existing. Okay, in the question figure, observe here lines right hand side, left hand side. So there after and before. After and before, same figures we have to exist. Same figures we have to exist. So here 4 in option A, 4 also blank, so wrong. In option B, 3 filled, but observe in the question figure, the lines 1 and second portions they given diagram, so wrong. One forward, one backward diagram we required. In option C, observe this is the question figure, one forward, one left side. So option C is the right answer. D wrong. What is the answer? Option D. Question number 18. Circle, okay. Inside trapezium, okay, triangle. In the second case, the triangle is inserted in the trapezium. The triangle is inserted in the trapezium. So in the question figure, the circle is inserted in a compulsory square. The circle is inserted in a square. So circle is inserted in a square means what is the option? Clearly, option B. Okay. Next, 19th one. Circle, same circle. Okay, two small circles. This one is this semicircle view reverse. So here also big circle, two small circles. This shape is reverse. Which option existing? Option A wrong. B wrong because this shape should be in the top. So option C clearly right answer. D wrong. Next question number 20. This is square. This is also square. These are called diagonals. Diagonal. So square having only two diagonals. But in the question next to analogy, this is pentagon. Pentagon having diagonals, five diagonals. One vertex to opposite vertex. This is one vertex, opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Middle looking like a star. Diagonals, okay. Diagonals joining. So here option A clearly you got an answer. Diagonals. So option A is the answer. Okay, children. Okay, till now 20 questions completed within the 15 minutes. Okay. Next. Part 6. Figure completion simply. So in the question number 21 to 24, one part of the geometrical figure, triangle, square, maybe anything, circle, is on the left side as a question figure. Left side as a question figure. And the other one is among the four answers. So the remaining part is missing which is existing in the four options. So out of the four options, which option is existing? Find the figure on the right side that completes the geometrical figure. Okay. Corresponding the question. Observe here. In the question number 21, observe, complete the figure. This is the shape. So we needed two lines. This is the shape. Okay. So where it is existing, two lines means. Observe here. Option B is the answer. 1 and 2 lines. Figure. Okay. So A wrong, C wrong, D wrong. Option B is the answer. Next. Here this topic already I mentioned. Sometimes questions easy. Sometimes you have to think. First of all, in the question number 22, observe. Okay, observe the diagram. We want to finish the diagram first. I mean complete the figure. So it is looking like a triangle. Shape also observe, shape also important. Triangle shape, that vertex is towards inside. So in option A, that vertex is towards outside, wrong. Option B also triangle, but observe the view. So B not existing. Okay, D not existing. Option C clearly right answer. Answer option C. Next, in a 23, observe the figure. This is the line. We have to finish. We have to complete this figure. This is inside. Okay, this line inside means the diagram inside one figure. Clearly observe A wrong, not existing, because observe the curves. Here more than two curves. Here also more than two curves. Okay, this is inside. We have to insert, but this is also inside. It is not impossible. C also impossible. So D you can observe clearly you got an answer. Then 24. Look at, this is the figure like a M shape here. M shape. Option B clearly got the shape. Okay, children. Next, part 7. Every topic also, every concept also we discussed in a previous video. So here we have a total 10 parts. Each part 4 marks, 40 questions. Okay, 40 questions. So 10 sections. These 10 sections, for every section also we have 2 parts. In the every part also we have 10 questions. Almost 20 questions. So 10 parts. Okay, in the previous videos observe everything. You got a complete idea. Okay, here I directly mentioned X and Y. This is like looking like a mirror. So what is the mirror image concept? Simply mirror image. Here observe mirror image. In the mirror image, what is the logic here? Left become right. Right become left. Suppose looking like this, arrow looking like this. This is mirror. So position in the mirror. This is the way. Okay. Mirror. This is one box. Suppose here one dot circle. In the mirror, this is left. So it become reflected as a right. Okay. Just concept. So here arrow symbol left side of this figure. So in the option figure, right side. Right side, where is the right existing? So in option B also possible, A also possible. Option C wrong, option D also wrong. So you have to check in these options only. This top. Okay, for that line, here bottom is closed circle. Here closed circle. But here triangle. So wrong. So option A clearly got a right answer. Next. In the circle, question number 26, in the circle, this is exact middle, then there is no change. In the mirror also same exactly middle only. So in the middle, minus symbol, okay, minus symbol, but it is divisibility symbol, wrong, divisibility symbol, wrong, okay, minus symbol, C and D, possibility, we have to check, I mean, okay, in the left, come to the question, this into symbol is left hand side, so in the mirror, it become a right side multiplication symbol. In option C, right side multiplication symbol, but in option D, plus symbol, same figure. So D wrong. So C clearly right answer. Okay. Here also using eliminated method, simply easy. Next. In question number 27, into symbol left side. So in answer figure, it is right side. So A existing, B existing, C existing, D also existing. So you have to check another one. Circle diagram, middle lines. A existing, B also existing, C not existing because there is no lines. D also you have to check is equal to. Okay. Simply for this question, the diagram way looking like this. In the mirror, the diagram way, first the diagram way is looking like this. So starting multiplication of this one is equal to this semicircle like a C, looking like this. C reverse. Okay, in option A directly C symbol is given, so wrong. In option B, C reverse symbol given, so right answer. Okay, right answer. Option B is the clearly right answer. Next, 28th question. Ink, so I here. N in the mirror, how can visibility N K looking like this? N. Okay, starting right hand corner I, we need I. So this is wrong. This is wrong. In option C, middle directly N given. So that's why C also wrong. So option B is the right answer. Okay, children. Next, in our last video, so previously we discussed the unfolding concept. So this is also unfolding concept. In unfolding concept, what is the logic? LIFO, last in first out, last in first out. You can observe the figures. This is the first folding, second folding, third folding. So if you are open, this is the first place. So that circles looking like this. So four circles. But in option A, only two. So wrong, cancel. Next to open horizontally. I mean horizontally means looking like this. So that circles looking like this. So option C wrong. In option D also not four circles. So clearly option B is the answer. Next, first one. Okay, suppose I can give the numbers or letters. This is A, this is B, this is C, and there is a punch. Okay, there is a punch. Once it is open, C, B, A. This is open process. Once it is open, okay, the diagram looking like this shape. Okay, but in option B, middle is given, so wrong. Okay, eliminated. I'm using elimination for that B cancel. Next, B step. It is looking like this. Okay, observe the question figure. This is square box looking like square box. The figure, observe this V-shaped figure existing, but in options we have to check. But because for elimination, option B wrong, option C wrong, option D also wrong, because we need this shape like a V shape. Okay, this shape not existing. In the shape is existing in option A only. So answer is A. Next, first folded. You can assume this is A. Next folded B, and there is a punch. Okay, once it is open, the triangle and circle visibility, the triangle and circle visibility looking like this. Okay, triangle and back side circle. Okay, circle triangle, circle triangle, circle and triangle. Here middle of this side, here middle of this side, middle of the sides, but here at the corner sides. Option B wrong. Okay, option D also wrong. C and A we have to check. Bottom wise circle, okay, top triangle. Bottom wise circle, top triangle. Bottom wise circle, top triangle. But in option A, bottom square triangle, top circle given. So A wrong. So clearly we got the answer option C. Next, Question number 32. Okay, this is assume as first folding, second folding. Then there is a punch. Once it is open the page, this is the view. Next, finally, A step. Okay, A and B only two operations. So at the time of opening the paper, then B and A operations. Okay, then this is the view. So where it is existing clearly. In option A, wrong. In option B, wrong. Option C, also wrong. Clearly we got a view. Option D. Observe. Option D is the answer. Next, part 9. Part 9 simply meaning figure formation from the cut pieces. Okay, the cut pieces existing left side, I mean question figure. Now observe question number 33 to 36. A question figure is given on the left side and your answer figure is marked A, B, C, D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which can be formed from the cutout pieces given in the question figure. Darken the circle in the OMR answer sheet against the number corresponding to the question. Okay. So figure formation from the cut pieces on the left side. So here question number 33, this concept very easy. Question number 33, observe children. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. This is also rectangle, but there is a line. So three rectangles where it is existing. So 1, 2 we can assume. But here this shape not existing in the question figure. So option A wrong. In option B, first rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangle, that fourth rectangle, middle one line. So clearly we are getting option B. So in option C, first to second, but here two rectangles, that line is for two rectangles, that middle line. So wrong. Option D also wrong. Next, question number 34. Okay, rectangle box, triangle and triangle. Two triangles, two boxes we need. Okay, two triangles, two boxes we need. Observe. In option A and option B, two boxes, two triangles also possible. In option C, clearly it is wrong. Option D also clearly wrong because two triangles not existing. Okay, that shape not existing. Here, right angle triangle. This is also right angle triangle. Okay. This rectangle box, rectangle box. But in option A, these are square boxes. These are square boxes. That's why option A wrong. Option B, clearly these are rectangle boxes. Okay. Option B is the answer, friends. Next, observe the shape. Okay, children, question number 35. This is one rectangle box, here triangle. One rectangle box, one triangle. You can observe the figures. We have to eliminate some options. In option B, rectangle box, rectangle box. So wrong because we need a one rectangle, one triangle shape. Here both also triangles. So wrong. Option D and option A, we have to check. This triangle shape okay, this box is okay. Here triangle shape is okay, box is okay. Here middle, observe this shape. Observe the shape. In option A and option D, triangle, that rectangle box, once if we remove, this shape is existing or not, we have to check. This is the figure. In option D, observe this one. Same position, same figure pattern existing in a question. So for 35th question, option D is the answer, children. Okay. Next, question number 36. Three triangles, one rhombus. Three triangles, one rhombus shape. So three triangles, one rhombus shape. Clearly, you got the answer. Option B. 1, 2, 3, and one rhombus shape. Okay, but here 1, 2, 3 triangles. Okay, but it is equilateral triangle. But in option A, not equilaterals. So wrong. In option C, clearly we got a wrong because it is a trapezium. Okay, in option D also wrong. So what is the answer then? Option B is the right answer, children. Next, question number 10, part 10, 37 to 40. This topic also we discussed in early last 2 weeks. Okay, last 2 weeks. In the last 2 weeks before, 2 weeks before we discussed this topic. Figure embedded figure are hidden. So this part is existing in options. Where is the existing? Where it is existing? Same pattern. Okay, one part is hidden. The shape is hidden in the figure. Which figure? Satisfied. Okay, now clearly observe the directions. In question number 37 to 40, a question given, a question figure is given on the left side, and the four answer figures marked A, B, C, D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure in which the question figure is hidden or embedded. Okay, this shape is existing in which option? That is the point. Okay, this line start from the vertex of the from the corner of the square, from the corner of the square. So this line starting, but in option A there is no starting, so cancel. In option B starting, we have to think. Here we have to think. But in option D, that line only off only, not completely. So option D wrong. So we have to check option B and C only. So this line until the third part of the box, third part of this box, third part. Okay, one, one. This is middle, third, fourth part. You can assume like this. This line, not until end, not until end, but shape. Here, like a triangle shape. In option B, you can check exactly existing. But in option C, that line is okay. Triangle completely not formed as a right angle triangle. So option C wrong. Clearly, what is the answer? Option B is the answer. Okay, children. Question number 38. Observe. This is looking like A shape and arc of semicircle shape, arc shape. In option A, clearly not existing. In option B, not existing. A shape not existing, but that arc not existing. Okay. In option D, also clearly not existing. Now check the option C, existing. The shape is existing. Otherwise, you can check like this also. It is also existing. So option C is the clearly answer. Next, question number 39. One line L shape reverse, and this one L shape reverse, but this line not existing here, so wrong. L shape not there here. Okay, here L shape, here top is there. that line position different. Okay, that line occupy the position, I mean place exactly, not existing. In option D, clearly observe L shape, this line. So option D answer clearly. Okay, children. Now last question. Question number 40. Observe. This is looking like N shape. These lines inside, both are also inside. In option A, that lines outside existing. So wrong. In option B, observe here. This is the shape. It is existing. Okay, that shape. So option B clearly right answer. In option C, this line okay, N shape okay, this N shape okay, this N shape okay, but it is outside. We need inside. So C wrong. Okay, here also position, the way of the line is wrong. So clearly option B is the right, children. Okay, completed, children's. So mental ability first 2020 year, mental ability 40 questions completed. Okay, you can follow our videos, easily are getting the concepts. Okay, children, thank you, all the best.
Geobyte.